Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed over at CVS for the week. So I was able to get all of these items for free and made just over $5 buying it all. So of course, I'm going to tell you how I did that here in just a moment. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been with me for a while, welcome back. Hope you had an awesome week last week. For us, it was spring break, so it was a pretty laid back week here. We didn't do anything spectacular, just kind of hung out, took it easy, but we also did some spring cleaning, which I love. I love being able to clean and organize things, so we threw some stuff away, we donated some stuff, and mostly just got things organized. For some reason, it just feels like a fresh new start. So that was exciting. Unfortunately, there's still quite a bit more to do. So I'm hoping to find some time this week to keep that process up. One last thing. A couple of weeks ago, I said that I was going to start to exercise more and y'all were supposed to be holding me accountable. No one's asked, but I have been working out every day, and I actually had one really good run this past week where it's actually enjoyable and I feel good versus counting the seconds until that exercise is over. So I feel like that's a good sign. Things are going well, and I hope to continue along with that momentum this week. Okay, so let's jump into these deals. Some awesome deals at CVS this week. Let me walk you through each of them. There was one deal that didn't quite go the way I planned, so I'm going to tell you the way it went, and then I'm going to tell you the way it should have gone, and then what went wrong. That way you know when you're out shopping. So the first one I want to tell you about is on the Schick razors. So they are buy two, get $10. There's a lot of different razors that are included, and I feel like my store has increased the prices of razors recently. I mean, some of the razors were like 20 bucks a piece. Not happening. So this one right here, the Schick Hydro Silk 3, this was the least expensive one I could find at my store. They were $10.49. So buying two of them would get me $10 in extra care bucks back. I had two of the $4 off Schick razor coupons from the February 28th Smart Source. I also had a CVS CRT for $3 off any $12 in Schick razor purchase. So all three of those coupons came off. The $4 off, I used two of them. The $3 off CRT for the Schick razor. So I paid $9.98 and I got $10 in extra care bucks back, making it free and just a tiny little money maker. I did have a $5 off a $30 shave purchase CRT. I couldn't make it work though because I didn't have any other razor CRTs that would make it worth buying some of the Gillette and Venus razors because they're also on promotion this week. I feel like razors are on promotion every week in some form or fashion. So this is the one I did. I'm trying really hard to spend nothing out of pocket. And I didn't. I spent $0 out of pocket on these items because I roll extra care bucks. But I also cash out from my Fetch Rewards app to CVS gift cards. So anything that I can't cover in extra care bucks, I use my Fetch Rewards app when I'm getting points from doing deals. I cash out to a CVS gift card and then I use that gift card at checkout. That way I'm not paying anything out of my bank account. Okay, the next deal uses a CRT that everyone got last week. So it's on the Cadbury mini eggs. I was hoping it was on the regular size eggs because my husband and my son both love those. I think they're disgusting. Ugh, that white creamy stuff in the no, blah, blah, blah. But they love them. So I don't know if they'll like these. My son was already trying to eat them last night, but I told him no because I hadn't done the video yet. So these are 2 for $2 this week. Now, if you saved the CRT from last week, you should see it in your account for $1 off too. So you'll pay $1. But this week they're on promotion for buy two, get $1 in extra care bucks. So you'll pay $1, you get $1 back, making them both free. All right, so the Eucerin deal is back. This goes on promotion all the time for spend 20, get $10 in extra care bucks back. It's the Skin Calming is the one that's the cheapest at my store. So the 8-ounce Skin Calming Cream, it's priced at $10.49. Now, I've seen other people say their store has it as low as $9.99, so that would make it an even better deal. But mine is $10.49, so you gotta buy 2 of them. But I had a CRT for $3.50 off a $15 body lotion purchase. So that applied to this. And I also had 2 of the $3 coupons from the March 7th, so last week's Smart Source. Or are we 2 weeks? Whatever, the 3/7 Smart Source. So I paid $11.48. I got $10 in extra care bucks back, making it $1.48 for both. But remember, this counts towards beauty. So with Beauty Club at CVS, for every $30 you spend in beauty products, you get $3 back. So it's an additional 10% back. So that's eventually going to come out to be free when I pair it with the rest of the beauty deals. Okay, so the Neutrogena makeup removers. I got lucky on this for a couple reasons. One, I saw coupon wins with Lynn's. She is over on Instagram as well as on YouTube. Super sweet girl. She's the one that posted about this that made me go grab it. So these are the 21 count Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. The 21 count near the makeup. So not on the facial care aisle with all the other toners and skin cleansers and all of that stuff. This is the one that's actually with the Neutrogena makeup. Okay, they are buy 2, get $6 in extra care bucks, but there's a number of different coupons that are attaching to these. So at my store, these are $7.29 each. Okay, so $7.29 times 2 is $14.58. I had a $3 off any Neutrogena product, CRT. I had a $3 off digital coupon for any Neutrogena face cosmetic, which did show it was applying to this. And then on the website, coupons.com, you can get another $3 printable that will attach to this item as well. I will link that for you in the Google document, which you can find in the video description below. So you will pay $5.58. You'll get $6 in extra care bucks back, but Ibotta has an offer for $1 back on these, and I got $2 back on Ibotta for this morning, so it made them completely free and a $2.42 moneymaker. Now, if you are not using Ibotta yet, you definitely want to grab that app. There are so many great deals with Ibotta. I will include my referral link below in case you haven't grabbed that app yet. If you use someone's referral link, you unlock some welcome bonuses that you can qualify for. So it's a little bit better deal for you and for them. Okay, this is the deal that got a little wonky. The Crest deal this week is spend 12, get $4 in extra care bucks back. So I grabbed these 2 3D Crest Brilliants. They were priced at $6.99. Now, I grabbed these because there is an Ibotta rebate for $3 back. So I was going to get $4 in extra care bucks back as well as $6 back on Ibotta. There was a $3 off Crest Brilliance coupon that I had clipped to my CVS card. And then there is a $2 off Crest from the March Procter & Gamble insert that I was going to use. Now, I got to the register and I was actually doing self-checkout, which I normally don't do at CVS because for some reason, the self-checkout, or at least in my area, it won't take those Fetch Rewards gift cards. For some reason, I can't pay with a gift card at that machine. So I normally check out with one of the cashiers, but they were busy and I only had a couple of items that I was doing. So I thought it's not gonna be a big deal. I'll just check out. Well, when I scanned the first one, and it was this one, it rang up $2.32. I'm like, uh-oh. It was supposed to be $6.99. Well, normally I wouldn't be sad that something rings up cheaper, but I knew immediately that I wasn't going to get to that spend 12 to get 4 because it was on clearance. So it ended up working out. Let me tell you how it should have worked out first. Okay, this is how it should have worked. Buy 2 at $6.99, use the $3 digital on the CVS app, use a $2 coupon for Crest toothpaste from the March P&G. I would pay $8.98 and get $4 in extra care bucks back, get $6 for my Bada, making it free and $1.02 moneymaker. So that's how it was supposed to work. But how it did work, I bought 1 at $6.99, I got 1 at $2.32. Then I went and I grabbed a third to make sure I got to the $12. This one, the gum detoxify, is $6.99. Now there was a $3 digital for this one as well, so that $3 came off. So this is how it worked for me. I bought this one at $6.99, this one at $2.32, this one at $6.99. I had the $3 digital on the CVS app for this one, the $3 digital on the CVS app for this one. I had the $2 P&G from the March insert. So I paid $8.30 total. I got $4 in extra care bucks back, and I got $6 on Ibotta, making it free and $1.70 moneymaker. So I'm glad it worked out. I did do it in 2 separate transactions because I was already checking out. So I just went ahead and checked out. The clearance did not count towards the spend 12, get 4. Okay, so that did not track towards getting me closer to that $12. So then I went back and I grabbed this gum detoxify. Thankfully, there was that digital coupon. So it still made it an awesome deal for me. Even a little bit better deal because the $2.32 was a clearance price and I still got back the $3 on Ibotta for buying it. So it was a little bit of a moneymaker. If y'all have questions on any of that, please let me know. I didn't want it to be confusing, but I did want to tell you exactly how it worked for me and how it was supposed to work. So the last deal was probably my favorite deal, even though I don't have anyone in diapers and I don't have a girl. It is a fabulous deal on diapers. So this is part of the spend 30, get $10 in a CVS cash card. So there are tons of different products that qualify for the spend 30, get 10. I decided to do it with the diapers because that's where I had the most coupons and felt like I could get the best deal. So I grabbed 1 pack of the Huggies pull-ups and I grabbed 2 packs of the New Leaf diapers. Now, not every store carries these New Leaf diapers yet, so I actually had to go to a different store for these than I did for the rest of these items. But this is how it works out. I had a $5 off a $30 baby purchase, CRT, okay? And if you want to know what CRT stands for, because we say it a lot, it's cash register tape. I use it to refer to the coupons that I get on my CVS card that are not manufacturer coupons. They are CVS coupons, okay? So you can stack a CVS coupon with a manufacturer's coupon, okay? So 1 store coupon, 1 manufacturer coupon. You can actually use multiple store coupons and 1 manufacturer coupon at CVS. So that's what I mean when I say CRT. It's just a digital coupon on your app or one that prints on your receipt that's not a manufacturer's coupon. Okay, so I had a 5 off 30 for that. And then I had a $2 off any 2 Huggies diaper purchase CRT. So again, a store coupon. I had a $3 off any New Leaf digital. I had a $3 off any New Leaf that I printed from their website, so I can link that for you as well. And then I had a $2 off a pull-ups digital coupon. So I paid $16.29. Okay, $16.29, and of course I used extra bucks to pay for that. I got $10 back on the receipt for spending 30, And then I got $6 back on Ibotta for buying the new Leaf diapers. I got $3 back for each of them. So that made my grand total 29 cents for all 3 packs of diapers, or like 10 cents a piece. So that's ridiculous for a pack of diapers. So let me tell you about the $10 you get back though. It's not a regular $10 extra care buck. So when it prints out, and I don't know why they do it this way, but when it prints out at the end of your receipt, go ahead and tear it off or cut it off. You hand it back to them. They scan it, they scan your card, or you enter your phone number, and then they activate a $10 gift card for you. So it's a little bit different than getting extra care bucks back. I actually like it a little bit better because you don't have to use it in a specific increment. I can now take that gift card and put 10 cents on it. If I buy something for 10 cents, or if I have a haul and I have like $2 left over, I can just use that gift card like a regular gift card. So check out the ad, do the spend 30, get 10 that works best for you. But this worked out amazing, and it makes a great donation item or a baby shower gift or birthday gift for a mom that has an itty bitty kiddo. Just a really awesome deal. So if y'all have questions on any of this, please let me know. If you are not already following me on Instagram, you can find me there at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/savingwithchristina. One last thing, don't forget, and I almost forgot to tell you, don't forget to scan your receipts to pggoodeveryday.com. The Crest, and I think it was just the Crest on this one, is a P&G product. So if you use that website, and I'll link it for you in the video description box below, you earn points back for every P&G product that you buy, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. So I will include that information for you as well. I always will scan my receipts to the Fetch Rewards app because they will give me some points each time, even if there's not a specific offer. I know some people have pull-ups or Huggies offers on their Fetch Rewards app right now. I don't, but I was still able to get some points for purchasing these products. If you're not using the Fetch Rewards app yet, I have a full tutorial on my channel that I can link for you as well, and it will walk you through step-by-step how to use that app. All right, guys, hope you have an amazing day, and stay tuned for my Walgreens video coming out soon. Thanks.